Tens of thousands of Connecticut residents have a pistol permit. Now, the governor wants to hike up that permit fee by 400%.
That news is not sitting well with gun owners, and the push against the big hike has begun. Chief Capitol correspondent joins us. Mark Davis joins us live from Hartford. Mark.
Hi, Anna Scott. Good evening, everyone from the Hartford newsroom. You know, whether for sport or to be prepared to protect home and family, many Connecticut residents, a large segment of the population, shoots a firearm every week. But many feel that what the governor is proposing would impose too much of a hardship. Over 250,000 Connecticut residents hold a Connecticut permit to carry pistols and revolvers. To get one, you must take a training course and currently pay a $70 fee for a 5-year permit. As we first reported last week, the governor's budget plan calls for increasing that fee to $300. The state fee for background checks would also rise from $50 to $75. Today, members of the state's largest gun rights organization began the first in a series of major pushbacks against the hike by attending a hearing on the Public Safety Division's budget. Scott Wilcox of Middletown says that with his wife and 3 kids getting permits, he may be priced out of legal gun ownership.
It seems rather punitive. I mean, to jack a permit fee up, 400%. is definitely punitive.
Others not only see the hike as cost prohibitive, but another infringement on their Second Amendment rights.
I have 3 people in my family, adding another $900 to permits. We're not gaining anything. They're charging us $900 more for the same amount of time, 5 years.
The governor said today that the move was not a provocation against gun owners, that it was just to bring Connecticut's fees in line with surrounding states, because Connecticut is losing money on pistol permits.
Given the amount of work that has to be done with respect to licensure, we probably were not, in fact, we weren't recovering our costs.
Now, Scott and Alan there are members of the state's largest gun owner rights organization, as I said, the CCDL, the Connecticut Citizens Defense League. Now, the CCDL, along with the NRA, and the NSSF, the National Sporting and Shooting Federation, which is an industry trade group based in Newtown, Connecticut, are all planning to come together later this week to announce their intentions on how they plan to fight this. Live from the Hartford newsroom, Mark Davis, News 8.